Do you actually have a genuine scarcity for your work? Do you actually have a genuine scarcity for your product? If you don't have scarcity, people will not buy. That is something that is preventing you from selling more. जब तक आपके काम में स्कैरसिटी नहीं होगी, आपके पास रिजल्ट नहीं आएंगे. एग्जाम्पल्स देता हूं. अगर आप नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में हो, आप बोलते हो सर नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में तो प्रोडक्ट सेम है, मैं क्या स्कैरसिटी दे सकता हूं? आपको लोगों को स्कैरसिटी देनी है. एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? वन एग्जांपल you tell that if you become a part of this particular product today, then I will also give you a 15 minutes consultation. I will also give you a 15 minutes consultation. Got that? That is one way of getting scarcity. The second thing that you can use as a scarcity is that all the people who enroll today, they will also get to attend a one more Q&A session from me tomorrow. A way of scarcity. Third scarcity is you can have something as a bonus that you are giving to people right then and there. Extremely important. For speaking assignments, what you can do for a speaking assignment is that you can tell people that I will give you a few minutes extra from my side, personal consultation, and that you can do in the beginning. I can't do that, right? It's not possible for me, but you can do that in the beginning of your journey. Got it? Good. Now, what one more individual has asked me is speaking assignments for organization. Very good. Tell them I'll do 4 sessions paid and 1 session free for you. That's what you can do. Got that? As an influencer marketer, you can reduce some budget. You can include some more influencers. You can provide some more knowledge. That is what you can do. That is important. So having that scarcity is critical. When you will have that scarcity, you would realize that so many people are buying from you. That's the most important part. When we were doing network marketing, and I did it back in 2010, 2011, what I did at that particular point of time was my team members, they told people that all of you who would register right now on the spot, we will also have one more special session for you right after this meeting gets over inside the smaller room for people who would join this particular company right now. So that is what we used as a scarcity. तो आप इस तरीके की चीज भी कर सकते हैं और वो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होगा. Scarcity is a must. You don't have a scarcity, you are not able to sell. If you would have noticed, Saurabh is doing a webinar, okay? Saurabh is doing a webinar. Now, the webinar that Saurabh is doing, what he is doing is he's increasing the pricing every day. That's a very genuine scarcity. You don't enroll today, tomorrow the pricing will increase. Day after tomorrow, the pricing would again increase. Because we want people to take action today. And that's the reason why genuine scarcity is extremely important. Got it? Now, everybody clear with scarcity? The task for you is figure out what all can you do to create genuine scarcity for your product or your service. What all can you do to create a genuine scarcity for your product or your service? Please note it down, everybody.